Today I'll walk you through how to move OneNote section tabs from the top to the left side of your notebook, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your OneNote layout so you can enhance your note-taking experience. But first, let's open your OneNote desktop application. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you have OneNote open, look towards the top of the window. You'll see a menu bar. This is where we will navigate to the view options. Bordeaux. Now click on the view option in the menu bar. This section allows you to adjust how your notes are displayed. Next, we need to find the tabs and layouts section. This is where you'll find the settings to change the appearance of your section tabs. After locating tabs and layouts, look for the option labeled vertical tabs. Click on this option, and just like that, your section tabs will shift from the top of the notebook to the left side. This can make it easier to navigate through your notes, similar to how a bookshelf organizes books by genre. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Software updates can change the layout a bit. Just follow along and you'll be fine. Turn. Now that you've successfully moved your OneNote section tabs, you can enjoy a more streamlined and efficient note-taking experience. This simple adjustment can help you access your notes more easily, much like having a well-organized filing cabinet at your fingertips. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.